Are you a carpenter? Are you currently unhappy with your existing job? Are there a lot of mistakes on the project? Are there gaps in the schedule? Is there poor morale? Or are you self-employed and you're tired of doing the sales, the estimating, and the billing, and you've got gaps in your schedule, you don't have vacations, you're working on the weekends? If any of these things apply to you, then we've got a great opportunity for you to join our team. Hi, I'm Jeff Forward, President and Creative Director at Forward Design Build Remodel. My goal has been to build a team of engaged and curious people with shared values to work in a collaborative, fun, and supportive environment. What I've learned over the years is that character is the defining quality we seek. Are you a positive person? Diligent? Do you enjoy teamwork? Are you hospitable? Are you inquisitive? If you have any of these traits and you have a passion for building and learning, we want to talk with you. While we have a lot of great benefits to offer, what really sets us apart is that we offer autonomy, mastery, and purpose. So for autonomy, you get to have a say in how we do things. Once a year, we have a yearly planning meeting, and we dive into areas of improvement that we as a team can do, and your voice is heard. The second item is mastery. We encourage and support the urge to get better at stuff. We share insight, we have a development plan, and we go through teaching and learning from one another. And the third thing is purpose. We are affecting people's lives with the tools of design and craftsmanship. You get to see this transition from the beginning to the end. If you're interested in joining our team, please visit our website and see our work and apply.